Goodest morning to everybody paying attention. I'm not sure how things look here. It's my first time being on my laptop trading. Uh, we're gonna get into it. Share my screen. All right. So we got NFP today. As you can see, it already hit here at 7:30. That's why we got this large candle. We're on gold. So it's gold we're looking at. My name is Silis. This is Silis Trades. If I did not say that before, 1 second. As I send this out to my Discord, if you're not already a part of the Discord, feel free to join that. The link is in the description. So, as you can see, today is the first Friday of the month. It's also the first of the month. So we have NFP today, which is a major news event. So right here, it's non-farmers payroll, unemployment claims. It had a forecast of 106,000, fell below that, about 25,000 plus. So bad news for the dollar, which extended over to price. You got dollar in the trash right now, which is sprucing everything up. Not everything. NAS is still down off that, and we got gold skyrocketing right now, creating a little area support or POC here. This bullish, bearish power off. We have a lot of bullish power right now, obviously because of news. It's best to stay away from it. And I hope that I'm being heard right now. Hope you can hear me. Okay. You can. Maybe I need to be a little louder, but as you can see, I might not even pull off any trades today. I did just want to go live for my student to show you that how rocky NFP can be. I won't be trading NFP probably anymore within my trading career. What it is, I do like to observe. If I do sprout any possible trades, I may take something small. Right now, we're very bullish on gold with that news. We don't trade too much of anything else besides gold and NASDAQ. As you know, if you've been following me for some time, we do have the sales on NAS. NAS has been dropping for some time now, so that's to be expected. Got my daughter over here having at it on a strawberry. Check on her real quick.
You got your strawberries. Get your strawberries.
So what I did want to do is just kind of initiate my strategy per se. Not that any strategy matters when it comes to NFP because it's so sporadic. But if I were trading today, which I probably will not be, I'd make my 15-minute high, 15-minute lows from open, which open is at 8:30. It's been 15 minutes. I like to wait that long. Usually I had this value area indicator on, showing the value area high, which is green line, mid-range, and the value area low. They don't, particularly if it's within this range, it usually fills it. Another indication is that it's out of it, so it will continue to go up, which it did. But this is off the back of heavy red folder news and a major news event day, so it's not particularly any uh, relevance to it. But I would use that. We have our open high, open low. Here's 8:30 right here, so we have our open high at the top of the candle and the opening low, which is the bottom of the candle. We could also have made support here, which is PLC is already kind of doing that for us, which is the orange line, but we make a nice little zone for support. Make a nice little zone for resistance. And we were waiting for one of these to break. Now, obviously, we're in a bearish trend as of now. We've just broken out of like a pretty much rangy couple of days. We go to the daily time frame. See, we've just been ranging up, down, up, down. It's a gradual uptrend, but for the most part, it's back and forth. Go back to 15. I'm also going to turn on my fair value gap indicator. Got a bunch of bullish fair value gaps, which is also bearish sentiment. So everything is saying bias as of right now, but that's off of the move per se. So we could get a reversal of some sort to the downside, possibly. Very unlikely with that news. Excuse me. Calm down, baby. So that would be how I would set up the solid strategy initially. We would want to break with more confluence. If we could break the low, break the support, I'd be looking for some bearish pressure for more sales. If that was the case, well, and I'm looking for buys here if I was to trade, but I'd be waiting for indication. I'd be waiting for my setup because right now it could just be ranging. We just open really. People are feeding into news and shit like that, so could get more buys to the top side. But you want to wait for your opportunity. You don't want to get into the buys here. Price goes down and then jumps up. You fuck because you don't have enough capital to stay afloat. So you wait for an opportunity. Let's see what happens. That's how you feel about it? You are making a mess all over your pretty green dress. You're making a mess on your pretty green dress. You're making a mess on your pretty green dress. Are you hungry? What's up? What's up, princess? Got the hickeys? You got the hickey uppies? It's not good. Want strawberries? I'll feed you in a minute. So, like I said, we got gold ranging. This is all off of the back of this news. Everything just pretty sporadic. It could easily, I'm dropping. It could easily go down, or it could just bounce back up. We have this POC right here, this point of concern, which I would like the price to go here, and we'll see how it reacts. It could easily jump off and go up here. That's why I would have a few buys, maybe in the middle of this support, or even the top of this fair value box. So we've broken the low of open. We're headed towards the support. Or we could just be ranging here. There's the POC tap. I'm going to initiate a small buy here. Possibly I might wait for 9. We'll see how it reacts. I'm gonna wait for 9. But that was the initial idea, that price would bounce off that POC. I don't know if you can see that orange line. Let me erase that support bar. This orange line is the area of POC, a point of concern. So you have getting to here and then bouncing off once, bouncing off twice. That created it. Then you have this price. It bounced off. That's creating more of concern for it. So my initial idea is prices are going to bounce off here and continue to shoot up. Baby girl, drop your strawberries. Ugh. Can't get it to you now. I'll make you a bottle in a minute. Yeah. Yeah, price continuing to bounce like I thought. Bounce right off the POC. But I want to see what happens here. Get onto the smaller time frame. So you see, it's been bouncing off, bouncing down, bouncing up, bouncing down. That's why staying away from NFP is the best option. Unless you know how to play it. It's pretty risky sometimes. I prefer to make my money in a stable way. But I'm here to show you how things can go. I'm here to show you how get in here, get your setups, just what I showed you. Got support, got resistance, got an open low, open high, got a value area playing no relevancy. Our daily high and low doesn't really play a factor between on Monday or Friday. So I could put it up so you see it. So lucky with the daily high, low. So see here. Daily low, daily mid-range, daily high. These are all currently being created. This, if you go previously, those are from yesterday, but these are new ones are currently being created. But I did around 2 a.m. want to get in for a bottom tick trade, which would mean I saw price made the daily low, and I wanted to buy in to the daily high. But with my prop firm, you cannot be within a minute's time frame of news dropping. So if news dropped at 7:30, I could not be in a trade between 7:29 and 7:31. Which a lot of people like to be in, but like right when news drops, I wouldn't have been in it anyway. But I wasn't up that early. And had I been in the trade from 2 and let it ride, I could have blown my account. I've never traded during news when I'm not supposed to, so I don't know what happened. But I don't want to risk it, so because they say that's a rule. Don't trade a minute before, a minute after big red folder news. Those kinds of causes sporadic system surge within their stuff. That's what most prop firms across all markets don't allow you to trade a minute within news being revealed before and after. So it's also just a smart rule of thumb to have as a trader, because you could have been in, you think that at 7:30 gold is gonna go down, you would have been in that trade, you would have got smoked. So it's also important not to even be in a trade before news drops, major news, because it could, yeah, you could win off of your bet, but this is not a gamble. We're not here to gamble. We're to have a skill set. So, I mean, you, like I said, that was correct in those buys, but NFP could be very sporadic. This could have been up here like this, but it could also for a split second have going down here without even, you never see it. It's so much information at one point in time that it can shift so dramatically that it could take you out, and you're like, what happened? You're left clueless. So it's best to let news breathe for a few minutes when it drops, especially these big rare folder events. And we got more news about to drop here in a few minutes. It's probably why prices ranging right now. People sitting on their hands and thumbs and shit like that, waiting for more news, more indication. So I most likely won't be trading today, but I will be. And today is my last day teaching my class, but I will be back September 1st teaching class, and I'll still be doing lives throughout the weeks. But as of August, I'll be taking a break from teaching as I enroll new students. Even though it's free, I'm getting more students in. I've added new modules, new information, new value to the Discord, which will always be open, but I won't be teaching class until September 1st. This is my birthday month. I'm going to spoil myself a little bit, spoil my family. And then September, I will be back for more teaching. We got gold dropping a bit right now. Tapping that POC once again. Like I said, we are bullish on gold right now. Let's at that POC again. I'm thinking about getting into some buys here. Have red folder at one. We have red folder dropping it in 1 minute. So we're gonna let that ride. Nas still falling. You want your strawberries? Did you shit? You're just farting. You're just a farty fart. As you can see, we got price continuing to bounce off that POC. So make sure you add that to your repertoire if you don't have it already. POCs, points of concern. I mean, it's also a support area, same thing, but these are just value tips. POCs do help, you know what I'm saying? Got this orange line is the POC. So let me take this daily high, low, and mid range off. So the only indicator we have right now is the POC, which is orange line. It's showing you just points, stands for points of concern. So bouncing off here. Oh, this is a nice little POC. You see it forming up. Like, I think price is going to bounce off this. The POC is underneath it. So it's support POC, what I would frame it as. This would be like a resistance POC. You see it tapping underneath it. So we see here, and just as an indication, if you have a personal account, you can trade at any point in time. These prop firms are businesses. They have rules and regulations, so you can't do what you can do. If you have personal capital, you can trade at any point in time, swing trade, whatnot. So if you see this POC being made, maybe you go to Hike and Ashies. It's a lot of green. That's another indication. You go back. You make your resistance or support. It breaks resistance. More buy signal. Or you could have had a buy stop there and get you in. You're like, where's the take profit at? You come over here with your POCs. You can have take profit here. Could have had to take profit. If you're buying from here, see it break support. Could have had to take profit at this PLC. Could have had to take profit at this PLC. Take profit 1, take profit 2. And there's another one. And it would have surpassed all of those. And this is just my simple strategy. I keep things simple. As you can see, I think, news just dropped. Gold has bounced from this PLC all the way back up to here. And we initiated that small buy, stop there at that PLC, targeted support. That would have been a nice $160, I would see. $160 off a quick one, That was just a quick idea. I just laid it out for you right here. Bounce off the PLC. We got support, resistance. Still ranging for the most part. But we have created our strategy. And I've shown you exactly what to do to make the money. What's up, baby? What?
You're on live.
See that, mommy? You see, mommy? And that's continuing to dump. So we got some sales in over there. If gold comes down to this POC, it may be at buy, but I'm pretty much not fucking with NFP for the rest of my life. So it is what it is, but that's the simple strategy. We mark up our support, resistance, highs, lows, open. Got the value area rule. Look it up if you don't know it, or go to the Discord that I have in the description. I have a learning module, which the brother will show you. We got this SSS guide from our initial starting point, which is 2023. It's 2025 now, so I did update that. But I would advise going back to the SSS guide 2023. And I got a daily prep routine here. I got a 7-day reset for when you have chart burnout or when you have a losing streak or you have a winning streak. It's always good to take a break when you've been trading a little bit too much. And I also have crypto talk here. Everything you need to know about crypto, Bitcoin, how to get it, how to maintain it, how to trade it. And I put updates in there every once in a while. And we got the traders chat room. Where we got all students and whatnot. People will be a lot more active here very soon. We've been doing this daily for 2 years now. 2 years in October. But get some student payouts. I should start highlighting these things. We got the students in there, put entertainment in there sometimes, but all valuable information for your trading journey. But I don't think we're gonna do any trading today, baby. I think we're gonna just enjoy our Friday. Well, say everybody trade. So yeah, we got a price coming back down. Let's see what the news was. Fresh this. Forecast 49.5. These aren't horrible come ups. But price will be in the range. It's on the RSI. Probably in the middle. Oh no, it's above. So could be still buying here in gold. Nas is oversold, so we might see some bullish pressure initiated, but that's still probably sellage. But I don't think we're gonna make any trades today. I think we're done just observing, making these levels. Next week we'll be back. August, we got some big goals. So I'm gonna be trying to document that throughout the month. So I appreciate everybody paying attention, everybody rocking with me. If you've been here with Sir Silis and Silis Trading, this is about to hit another notch, about to turn it up in a different type of way. Because I feel like I'm one of the great ones in this space. So what we're gonna do is end this stream. I appreciate y'all for paying attention, rocking with me and my queen, my princess. Yeah. So hope you got some value from this. We're going to be adding more value throughout the week. If you're not already a part of the Discord, feel free to join. I will see y'all next time. Say bye.